Hello everyone, my name is Kurzen and this is my unboxing of Acer Nitro 5 budget gaming laptop. Let's get started. This is my Royal Blue 500GB NVMe SSD. It's amazing and super fast. Crucial 120GB SATA SSD is pretty good too, but it's, for the space, the extended space. But first, let me tell you the specification of that beautiful laptop. It's budget, but don't worry, it's okay. It has 15.6-inch display with full HD resolution and 144 Hz refresh rate. It's amazing for the gaming, Okay, but the main thing is the processor. It is i5-11400H with 6 core and 12 threads, and it has 16 GB of DDR4 3200 MHz RAM. It's pretty good. It's not Ryzen CPU, but it's okay for the i5. The strawberry on the top is the RTX3050Ti with 4 GB of GDDR6. So without saying any more, let's get unboxed. The box is so nice, I like it. We have specification on the right side and some stickers on the left side. And of course, it's nothing right there. Okay, so let's open it. What do we have here? To the camera. And we have right there the laptop. And of course, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to update this computer with that 2-disk drive. Don't worry. At the end, you're gonna see everything. How to open it and add the more space. But first, let's unbox it. Okay, we have a laptop right here. We have some accessories, like charging, and everything. Okay, instruction, but nobody is gonna read it, but we have instruction. Okay. Probably the guide, and oh, we have a stickers. Nice. We have a stickers, okay, and we have warranty card. Okay. This will be for all from box, goodbye box, or maybe I'm gonna give it to the background. Okay, so first the accessories. So we have right here, and this is important, to upgrade this SATA disk. We have connector to the SATA, and somewhere here we should have some screws. Yes, we have some screws to the updated hard drive. This SSD, this is for it. Okay. And we have wall adapter with power supply. It is pretty small, really. Look at this. This is so small. Okay, and we have a cable. Put that aside, and the main laptop. Okay, let's see that baby. Let's see it. Oh my god, it's so nice. Let's unbox it. Brand new things. Okay, let's see. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. It's so beautiful. Let's open it. Whoa. And right here we have a laptop. It's beautiful. It's so beautiful. So, we have the laptop, and now we go into the part when you're gonna upgrade it with 2-disk drive. So, see you soon after 5 seconds. Okay, so first we need to take this all 11 screws with the screwdriver. I'm gonna back for you after this process. After removing the screws, let's open it slowly and gently. Okay, remove the back. Put it in the safe place. Okay, so we see right now we have 2 RAM slots, NVMe SSD right there, right there. Here we have a space to the SATA, and here we have a space to the second NVMe SSD. Okay, so let's go. I'm gonna show you that step by step. So first, let's install this. We need to unscrew these screws right there. I know this is not professional, but this is just amateur videos, and I'm so sorry. Don't be angry for me. This is not professional guide. Just how to change it. Okay. After removing the 4 screws, we can take it slowly and gently. This is pretty, you know, plastic. Now we can take the SATA drive, put it right there. Okay. Take the screws, open it, you know what to do, and just take it to your hand. Do not miss anything. And connect it to the, right here in the places. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Okay, I have the 4 screws, so now open it, that upgrade cable, and now we're gonna connect it. Like that. Okay, put it back to the space. Take the 4 screws that left. And now, look at this place. You see? We need to connect it to that place. Right there. Up and put the cable inside. Okay, it's right there. And now the M2. I'm gonna open it and put it right there. It's small form factor, so it's okay. Have an instruction guide and the SSD. We need to unscrew 1 screw right there. And put it gently into right here. Okay, and that's all. That's the upgrade. Okay, let's see that everything works. I'm gonna close it and see you soon. Okay guys, so here we go. Everything is work. See you soon in the next video. Thank you. Leave a like and subscribe. See you next time.